So guys, 24 hours in Paris. Let's see what I get up to.
Perfect.
Good morning, beautiful people. Well, actually, it's good afternoon because it's afternoon over here in Paris. You know, I had to pull out the beret because, you know, when you're in Paris, you gotta look the part and that. But today I'm going to do hopefully 6 different things. I cannot remember the name of all of them. And so as I get to each point, I will show you guys my thoughts and things like that and around. But yeah, it's gonna be hopefully an eventful day. And with apparently I'm supposed to be trying the snails, but I don't know about that one. I don't like them, never liked them, just no. But apparently I have to try it. I think it's called ESCARGOT or something like that over here. I can't remember the name, but apparently I need to try it, so I guess that's what I'm gonna have to do. I might chicken out though, because, you know, who likes snails? Just cash, like, that's tear smoked. Nah, I'm fine. Jamaicans say tear smoked because it's like not something that you're gonna have to actually enjoy, or it's just quick food. But no, I'm gonna try and not back out of this. So yeah, that should be an eventful day, and I'll show you guys everything that I get up to. Okay guys, so my first stop is the Museo du Louvre Museum. I'm not sure if you can pay to get in, but I'm going to check it out anyway, even if I have to pay to get in. Guys, my hair's getting wet. So apparently there are 338,000 pictures in there, and if I was to look at every picture for at least 60 seconds, it would take me 75 days to look at every single picture. So yeah, obviously that's not going to happen today or any other day anytime soon, but you know, I'm going to try and go in and look at least some of the pictures, and I'm sure they're amazing and great pieces to look at. Okay, scrap that. Due to the waiting time, which apparently is an hour, I'm not going to go inside, but I admire it from outside whilst getting my hair wet. So I'm going to attempt to get a picture, like an illusion picture right here. Yeah, hopefully it goes okay. If it does, I'll insert the picture right here. Oh yeah, in case you haven't clocked already, I don't know what's going on with this thing right here. I woke up with it, but you know what? I'm still pretty on any side anywhere. I'm still pretty, so yeah. Next stop, what's the next stop? Next stop, to try some snails. Another padlock bridge where people come here and put their padlock with their names on it to, I guess, mark a symbol of their love. And when they return back here, I don't know, a year to maybe 10 years even later, then their padlock and their names are still here on this bridge. There was something about, well, there used to be something about there was too many people putting padlocks, and so they stopped it because it was getting too heavy. I'm not sure how true that is, but you know, there's a couple padlocks still here, so I'll show you guys that as well, which is quite interesting because, you know, it's not, I say quite a few, but there is literally a lot. As we can see right here, there's one of them, which is quite a lot of padlocks for people who are declaring their love. So yeah, I'll show you guys on the bridge, but it's just an ordinary bridge with a lot of padlocks on it. So yeah, I guess not that interesting, but maybe interesting to some. So before, all here had locks along the bridge, but now they've changed it and put this like glass here so that people can't actually get padlocks to this section here. But people still were unruly, gang, and put padlocks here instead. Well, I guess, you know, it's a sign of people's love. It's not for me, but you know, if it is for you guys who want to come and put a little padlock here, then, you know, be my guest. But yeah, if that tickles your fancy, then do that. So behind me, guys, is a Notre-Dame building which was on fire, I believe, in 2019, and apparently raised a lot of money. I'm not sure what was happening or how it happened. I really should have done my research for this video, but the main point is that that's the building right behind me that you guys can see. Sad days, man. Sad days. My curls are messed. This rain is just not doing it today. It's just, it was all nice and curled, and yeah, it's now messed. Thanks, rain. Thanks. So whilst out and about, I decided to satisfy my sweet tooth yet once again. So I decided to go to a spot called Pierre Hermé Paris, which sells macarons or macaroons, however you want to pronounce it, and apparently has the best that there is in the market. And there you have it, guys. 6 macaroons come in to £12.21. Comes in a cute little box called, it's from Pierre Hermé Paris. I'm about to try them out and see what my verdict is. It is quite pricey, but I've got a sweet tooth, and sometimes you've got to spend a little bit to, you know, for your sweet tooth to be satisfied. So I'm gonna have this, and I'll tell you guys my verdict once I've tried it. So I decided to get a pick and mix because I don't know what flavours I want. So pick and mix is the best option for those who are indecisive about the flavours. We've got chocolate, we've got passion fruit, we've got pistachio, lychee, we've got a bit of everything really. I'm gonna try out each and every flavour and show you guys my verdict. Comes in a cute little box, looks absolutely delicious. So let's try it now. So this one, it's already half bitten because I've half tried it, but this has got pistachio in it. It looks so nice. If I zoom in, my time to try it. It's really good. Definitely not healthy to say, but this is really good. So my next one is like lychee and strawberry or something like that. I love anything lychee flavoured, so this is going to taste super nice. Exactly what I thought. Lychee is very rich, super nice. So the hunger started kicking in, so I came to this spot here called Au Pied du Couchon to get some food. Like that. Jesus Lord, like this. I'm not even exaggerating, guys. This looks. I don't know if I can bring myself to. Oh my god. I don't know if I can bring myself to eat this. I'll take my time. I don't think I can do it. I don't think I can do it.
Literally close your eyes and do it one time. Drink some.
Oh god.
One time, go, quick. Quick. Honestly, it's calm.
It's hard, you know. Okay, I'm doing it for the guys. I'm gonna do it for you guys. But I'm never in my life gonna do this again.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god.
3, 2.
It's horrible. Just get the dip in. Oh god. Okay.
Yes. It's actually nice.
My final verdict of France. France is a nice place if you're going to come here for like a short break. I wouldn't recommend coming here longer than, I don't know, 3 days because there's not that much to do. But then, you know, I cramped it all into 24 hours. So yeah, my verdict of the snails, yeah, never doing that again. I just did it to show you guys, and I've never eaten snails before, and I'm certainly never doing it again. But you know, we're here. And I also had the onion soup, which I felt was absolutely so nice, so I'd recommend that. Frog legs, I would not recommend that at all. And now I'm never, like I said, I'm never eating frog legs, never eating snails again. But you know, no disrespect to the tradition and everything of French people, but it's just not for me. But yeah, my Paris trip, to sum up, was very nice. I just wanted to come here to take a picture by the Eiffel Tower, as many tourists do, and that was ticked off my list. So yeah, Paris is nice. So if you guys want to come here, make sure you try out the places that I've listed in this video. If you have any questions, do let me know, and I'll answer as much as I can. Thank you. Last stop here in Paris is the Eiffel Tower. Obviously, as everyone knows, this is a must to come and see when you're in Paris. It's kind of why everyone comes to Paris, to see this wonderful monument right here. Yeah. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this Paris vlog. I've only had 24 hours here, so I haven't had a chance to do everything that I wanted to do, but I've done the main thing. So this is the last stop. I hope you've enjoyed it.